Here is how you can make some hummus at home. Start off with your chickpeas. I cooked mine, but you can use canned as well. Just make sure to keep the brine. Here I am separating the cooked chickpeas and saving the water that I cooked it in. Then placing half of the cooked chickpeas in the Vitamix. I add 5 cloves of garlic, about a half a cup of tahini, some salt, and a ton of lemon juice. You can use as much as you'd like. While blending, make sure to pour in the chickpea water to help combine the ingredients to a paste. If you like a watery hummus, add more water. I like mine to be a little thicker. In a bowl, add the hummus and top it with some olive oil and red pepper flakes to serve. And it's ready. Thanks for watching.